In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a Vimeo video in Squarespace. Unfortunately, since Squarespace doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you click to the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then you'll see this massive list of widgets. I want you to focus on the video section down here, and then I want you to click on Vimeo Gallery. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the Vimeo Video widgets page. From here, click on Create Widget Free, and then you'll be taken down to the Vimeo Video template section. So on the left hand side here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different templates they could choose from. In my personal opinion, you should go for the very last one here, which is for a single video. Now, if you want to display a single video on your Squarespace website, then this will be the best option for you. But feel free to browse through the different templates and choose the one that works best for you. In my case, like I said, I'm going to go for the single video one. And then on the right hand side here, you also get a live preview of what that particular template will look like on your Squarespace website. This right here is for desktop. If you click on the mobile icon, you also get a mobile version of it. In my case, the one that's relevant is the desktop. Once you've selected the template you want to go with, click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then you'll be taken to this page here, which is where you can start customizing your Vimeo video widget. So the first thing you want to check is make sure that you have the Vimeo connection right here as green. That means that the widget is connected to Vimeo and everything is working as it should. Then you want to go ahead and add your source. In this case, we have this video as a source right here. I can go ahead and add a new one by clicking on this button right here and then add the Vimeo URL of the video that you want displayed right here. In my case, I've copied the random one. I'm going to paste it right here, just like that. And then I'm going to click on done like this. And then I'll just go ahead and delete this one. Click on delete and then it will be removed. But here is the one I've selected. It's just a random video. Then here at the bottom, you also have gallery title, language, and sorting. This is some customizations that you can take advantage of if they're relevant for you. So for example, you can add the gallery title. Let's just say power, just like that, because it says it right here. Then I'm going to click on back. You have language here. You can change it from English to any other language that you want. There's a ton of languages that you can choose from. Then you have sorting. So if you have multiple videos displayed right here, then obviously make sure to set this to whatever's relevant for you. In my case, it's a singular video, so it doesn't matter. On the left hand side here, you also see layout, playback, and style. These are some other customizations that you can also take advantage of if they're relevant for you. So for example, the current layout is grid. You can also have a playlist. You can have a slider like this if you have multiple videos. Again, in my case, I don't, so I'm just going to stick to a standard grid. Then you have grid settings and a bunch of other options. But yeah, I'm not going to go for every single setting that you can take advantage of here. I'll leave this up to you to explore. But once you're ready with setting up your Vimeo video widget, go ahead and click on Add to Website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen. And then your widget will be saved up and you'll be taken to this page, which is where we need to go ahead and publish the widget. So in the top right corner of the screen, you will see this green publish button. Click on it and then your widget will be published. So after that, you'll be taken to the plans page. This is what it looks like. And what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Alternatively, if you want to unlock more functionalities, such as get more than one widget from Elfsight on your Squarespace website, or expect to have your video previewed by more than 200 people, then obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options they can choose from. And if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, in my case, I'm going to go for the free plan because I'm only making a tutorial video. Once you've selected the plan that works best for you, you automatically be taken to this page, which is where we can copy the code for the Vimeo video widget. Click on copy code and then head over to Squarespace so we can start integrating it. As you can see, I'm already in my Squarespace editor here. So what we want to do is go ahead and add a brand new section, which is where I want my Vimeo video added to. Click on add section and then simply click on add blank section right here. And then you have a blank section added to your Squarespace website. From here, click on add block in the top left corner of that new section and then type in code. Click on the third option right here and then you'll see a code block added to your Squarespace website. Simply double click on it and then make sure the mode here is set to HTML and replace this text with the code that we just copied from Elfsight. Click away, save and exit. And there you have it. Here is my Vimeo video on my Squarespace website. It looks super nice and clean and it's fully interactive, as you can see. Don't worry about this panel that you see right here on the top. This is only visible by you just in case you want to make any changes to the widget itself. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to embed a Vimeo video in Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.